He's telling the truth, isn't he?
Well, you know, after being in court
That
all
wasn't
day,
my question. He's telling the truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
All right, folks, buckle up. Today we're stepping inside a courtroom where things are about to get messy. Catherine Williams is suing her ex-husband Michael for child support, but this isn't your typical custody case. From lavish lifestyles to hidden truths spilling out mid-hearing, every word, every glance, and every expression tells a story. Stick around, because by the end of this, you're going to witness audacity, entitlement, and a courtroom roast you won't forget. Now, let's dive into the drama.
Okay, Mrs. Williams, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 children together. I have not received any child support from him. Our children go to private school. They play sports, dance lessons, singing lessons. They're very active and it's very expensive. We do share custody and time, but I pay for private school. He pays for health insurance and that's all. I pay for everything.
What kind of money you make to be paying all of that?
I'm an attorney.
Oh, okay.
But I'm used to a certain lifestyle. I mean, I can't even afford to get my nails done, my hair done. It's embarrassing.
You're an
I'm spending,
attorney,
yes,
and
ma'am.
you can afford tuition, but not to get your nails done.
All my money's going to the tuition and all of their extracurricular activities. I've been sacrificing the things that I'm used to that I was able to do before when we were still together and we had that combined income, and my money's going to the kids and I don't have any money left for the lifestyle that I've been accustomed to and getting my nails done and my hair and massages and things like that.
It's still not making sense to me, but okay. Mr. Williams, make this make sense.
You know, although she makes more money, she has an extravagant lifestyle. The hair, the nails, the massage. You know, she didn't tell you about the personal chef or the maid that she has come clean the house every week.
Whoa, did you catch that? As soon as Michael dropped the truth about Catherine's weekly liquor store runs, her confident facade completely crumbled. Look at her expressions, from self-assured to visibly nervous in seconds. This is classic courtroom tension. When someone misrepresents facts, the truth has a way of making them implode. Notice the subtle body language too, dodging questions, rambling, trying to recover. Here's a question for you. If you were the judge in this situation, would you have paused the testimony to clarify these inconsistencies or let it play out as he did? This moment is exactly why courts scrutinize financial claims carefully. Appearances and reality rarely match.
So now it's making sense, okay.
And let alone the drinking problem that you have.
Drinking
The
problem.
weekly stops to the liquor store, to have a curbside pickup. Come on now.
He's telling the truth, isn't he?
Well, you know, after being in court
That
all
wasn't
day,
my question. He's telling the truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
yes.
Okay, so now we're getting somewhere about, and you brought him to court
Yes.
for child support.
Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you make?
$70,000 a year. I make $100,000 less than she does.
But again, I pay for pretty much everything. The only thing he pays for the kids is the health insurance. I pay for everything.
Health insurance is pretty important. You'd agree with me, right?
It is, and I appreciate that. I do. But I don't want to pull my kids from private school or you know, take them out of the things that they love to do because I can't afford it.
Right, and don't say that again because you can't afford it. If what he's saying is true, you're getting your nails done, you're going on trips, you're doing all of these other things, you know, especially going to the liquor store. Alcohol is not cheap. You can't afford it. You're just choosing to do something other than what you should be doing, which is taking care of these children. How often are you all exchanging the children?
We have them equally, so that'll be 2 weekends a month.
Okay. All right, yeah, you came in here to waste my time. I'm not getting ready to play with you. I am not going to make him pay you child support when you make $100,000 more than he does. You didn't object when he said you make $100,000 more than him, so he's telling the truth, right? Yeah, what kind of lawyer are you? Never mind. So this is what we're going to do. I am going to base child support off of what's called an offset, okay? So I'm going to do the child support calculations for the both of you and subtract it. And the difference is going to go to the person who makes more, which is you, all right? Actually cap out So your gross is about $12,325.35. Dad, your gross is $5,833.33, bringing your net to $9,200 for you, $4,664.67 for you. Health insurance, you pay it. How much is it?
It's $100 a month.
Okay, you're going to split that. How many children? 2 children, right?
We have 3 children between us and 4 total.
3 children, 4 total. Who has the other child? Okay. Thank you for telling me that, because that reduces your child support obligation and increases yours. So the difference in adding the health insurance, it comes out to $1,533 per month. And Mrs. Williams, that's what you're going to be ordered to pay to him. Any questions about that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And there it is, justice served. Catherine tried to squeeze money from her ex despite earning far more than him, only to have the court calculate child support accurately and reveal her missteps. Michael's transparency and the court's careful calculations highlight why accountability matters and why dragging a baseless case wastes everyone's time. It's a stark reminder. In legal battles, clarity, honesty, and proper documentation aren't optional, they're essential. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next courtroom clash.